Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. To enter any secret code, you have to open your phone dialer and go to keypad. And now let's start with the first code, which is asterisk pound asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk pound asterisk. So here we've got the calendar info. As you can see, I have nothing included here as this device is a new one and my accounts are not connected. However, this code would just allows you to see all events, all celebrations that you've got in every calendar connected with this device. So it doesn't matter if it's about Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, or maybe device's internal storage, it will all be displayed right in front of you. So that's it, let's go back. Another code that I want to show you is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And as you can see, this is the FCM diagnostic mode, where you can see events and also check the status. Whenever you want to enroll some more info, tap on more icon and click on advanced view. So you'll be able to see way more details. And that will be actually all about this code. And another code that I wish to show you has a bit different start. So you just enter asterisk pound and then 06 pound. As you can see, this is the shortest code that we have, and this one will provide you with email numbers assigned to your device. So here we've got both email numbers assigned to both SIM cards. So that's it, that would be all. Obviously, this is how you can enter codes to your device. You can try any other code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.